Thank you so much guys sa lahat po ng aming mga viewers, sa lahat po ng mga nag-support. Thank you so much guys. At ngayon guys, road to 3,000 subscribers na po tayo. To all my viewers from other countries, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for subscribing my channel. And imagine guys, within 28 days, I got 150 subscribers. So thank you very much. So if you want to more subscribers, comment down and I will visit your channel. If you drop your comment, so I will visit your channel immediately guys. So that's my strategy. That is why within 1 month I got monetized and I got 3,000 subscribers. Thank you so much.